Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, this is the Hustle Blueprint, and in today's video, we're going to dive into 7 proven passive income strategies you can start in 2025 to start earning money while you sleep. Whether you're looking to lend money, get high yields on your savings account, or make money with everyday purchases, we've got something for you. So, if you're tired of trading your time for money and want to build some passive income streams, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Strategy 1. Peer-to-peer lending, new strategy. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending. This strategy allows you to lend money directly to individuals or businesses online in exchange for interest. It's like cutting out the middleman, such as a bank, so you, the lender, can earn a higher return on your money. Here's how it works. You sign up on a platform like Lending Club or Prosper, which acts as a marketplace where borrowers seek loans, and lenders like you can fund them. Always use the official websites to avoid being scammed. You can invest as little as $25 per loan, but keep in mind that you can diversify your risk by lending small amounts to multiple people. Let's say you lend $1,000 to a borrower who's paying 10% interest. That's $100 a year in interest alone. It's a great way to grow your wealth by taking a bit of risk, but it's important to do your homework on borrowers and keep an eye on your investments. The beauty of peer-to-peer lending is that the interest rates are often higher than what you'd get from traditional bank accounts or bonds, and your money works for you every day. Next, high-yield savings accounts. Now let's talk about high-yield savings accounts, which are an easy, low-risk way to earn passive income. Traditional savings accounts barely offer any return on your money, often less than 0.1% interest. But with high-yield savings accounts, you can get 2% or more, depending on the platform. Think about it, if you have $10,000 sitting in a high-yield account, you could earn $200 a year in interest. It's not going to make you rich, but it's a great way to make sure your money is working for you while you're not doing anything. Platforms like Ally Bank and Marcus by Goldman Sachs offer competitive rates, and it's all hands-off. What makes this strategy so appealing is its safety. It's backed by the FDIC, so your money is insured up to $250,000, which means there's no risk of losing your funds. So, if you're looking for a low-effort, secure passive income source, this is definitely something you should consider. Next, cashback and rewards programs. Cashback and rewards programs are a perfect example of passive income from everyday spending. If you're already buying groceries, gas, or shopping online, you might as well earn something back for those purchases. Let's say you use a cashback credit card. Every time you make a purchase, you earn a percentage of the total back. Some cards give 1 to 2% on every purchase, while others like the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card offer up to 5% on certain categories like travel or dining. It's like getting paid to buy the things you're already buying. But it doesn't stop there. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta allow you to earn cash back for shopping online or even for buying groceries. You can redeem these rewards for cash, gift cards, or discounts. If you're shopping anyway, why not get paid a little extra while doing it? Now, let's talk about a relatively new strategy, buying and holding cryptocurrency. With the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, you can earn passive income by staking your cryptocurrency or yield farming. For example, if you buy Ethereum or Cardano, you can stake your coins and earn interest by helping to secure the network. Platforms like Binance or Coinbase offer staking services, where you can earn annual percentage yields, APYs, of up to 10% or more. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but with much higher returns, though, of course, it carries more risk due to the volatility of crypto markets. In yield farming, you can also provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges and earn tokens in return. By doing this, your crypto assets grow passively without you having to trade or sell them. Next, creating a YouTube channel, ad revenue plus affiliate marketing. Of course, YouTube is another powerful way to generate passive income. If you love sharing your knowledge or creating content, a YouTube channel can bring in money through ad revenue and affiliate marketing. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money through ads. But you can take it a step further by integrating affiliate marketing into your videos. For instance, you can talk about products or services and share affiliate links in your description. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of YouTube is that once your videos are uploaded, they can continue earning money as long as they remain relevant. Imagine making a video about side hustles that continues to get views months or years down the line, generating ongoing income. Next, creating a mobile app. Have you ever thought about developing a mobile app that people would love to download? Even if you're not a developer, there are platforms that make creating your own app relatively easy. You can build an app around a service, game, or idea that solves a problem. Once the app is created and available in the App Store or Google Play, it starts earning passive income through advertisements, in-app purchases, or premium subscriptions. Popular apps like Instagram and Spotify started small and monetized over time through ads and user subscriptions. Even simple apps like a calorie tracker, task manager, or personal finance tracker can make money if enough people download them. The more downloads, the more revenue you can earn through ads or premium upgrades. All of this runs automatically without you needing to be involved after the app is developed. And to conclude, create a niche blog and monetize it. Starting a niche blog is another powerful passive income strategy. With a blog, you can share your expertise, passions, or experiences about a specific topic. Like cooking, finance, or travel. And earn money from things like affiliate marketing, ad revenue, or sponsored content. The key is to choose a niche that has an audience interested in your content and also has affiliate products you can promote. For instance, if you have a blog on travel, you could partner with travel agencies, airlines, or hotels to earn affiliate commissions when someone books a trip through your referral link. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to monetize through ads as your traffic grows. Building a blog takes time, but once your posts start ranking on Google, they can drive passive traffic to your website, earning money even when you're not working on it. Alright, there you have it. These are 7 powerful passive income strategies to help you earn money in 2025. Whether it's through mobile apps, peer-to-peer lending, a niche blog, YouTube, or even cryptocurrency. There are plenty of ways to generate income while you sleep. If you're excited to start implementing one of these strategies, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me which passive income stream you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.